let's say you're going to put up a video that you just did. All right. So what do we do with that? We press the plus sign, right? So we can add new content. And that's what we're going to do. Now, after you've done that, okay, you want to make sure that on the right-hand side, there's going to be options and there's a music note. It's an icon that looks like a music note. Okay. That's the one you're going to press, and it's going to open up a menu full of favorites and recommended songs. Now, these songs are, I believe they are not copywritten. Okay, so you're okay to use them. But anytime you use like a licensed type of a music, they're going to pull up some type of disclaimer, and they want you to agree that, you know, you're not stealing songs or copyright infringement on the music industry, right? So what you do is you pick your note, pick your song, and you could do a search at the top for like any kind of music theme, something relaxing, motivational. You could put something like a melody. You can pick like, you know, all kinds of different genres, right? Rock and roll, heavy metal, whatever, right? And you just put that in there, and then you get a selection of music choices. And then the best thing that I find to know what kind of song I want to put on a video is I'll hit the play button on the square of the song, so I can hear it first before I add it to my video. Most of you guys are familiar with me when I do my Word of the Day Wednesdays, and you hear that little jingle that's back there with the, that's okay. So I have a thing for like Korean dramas and Korean music, and I found that jingle, and it's by a producer who is a Korean. And I said, oh, that's a cute little jingle. I want to use that. And now I use that for every video that I have. It's like my signature now for Word of the Day Wednesday. So you can pick the songs that you want, play them first, and when you're ready, you're going to press on the title of the song, and it's going to add itself directly to the background of your video. Okay. And the other thing is, let's say you want to do it at the time that the video is playing. You can always select on the right-hand side a timer and set it to like 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So if you want to give yourself a little window, like before you go live or when you do a video, press start, and it's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then the music is playing, and then you can go ahead and do your thing on your video. Okay. Or you have a 10-second marker, and you got 10 seconds. So it'll go 10, 9, 8, and it'll count all the way down to 0. And now you can actually start performing and doing your TikTok content.